Like, I like pumpkin spice lattes in Starbucks, but I still want to like do pink flamingo shades on my eyes. Hey lovelies, how's everybody doing? I hope you had an amazing week so far. Today what I'm going to be going over are some of the new products that I just got from Sephora during their VIB sale. My next video next week is going to be using those products and creating this look that you see here. So I'm not going to do a tutorial today. I'm just going to go over what I thought were like hot buys and then things that I've been sitting on and like waiting for the sale to come so that I could buy them because, you know, not making money over here. I want to go through those products with you guys, so that's what this video is going to be all about. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Introduce yourself, let me know where you're from. I'd love to meet you. So if you want to see some products that I got to achieve this look and you want to just check out some of the goodies that I think are worth your money this year, then keep on watching and let's jump into the video. So first of all, September is my birthday month. Yes, I'm a Virgo. The 5th of September is my birthday, so I just had it. Sephora, you get a birthday gift. So this is what I picked out. This is the Glam Glow Hello Sexy, and it is some of their super mud clearing treatment, which if you know me at all, if you've seen any of my skincare videos, like huge fan of the clearing treatment. It works really well. And then the Glow Starter, which I have not used before. It's supposed to be a mega illuminating moisturizer, which, you know, we'll see all about that. But it's just two little minis. They look like this and then like this. So really excited to try that. The next things that I got were some foundation. So I did get a trial size of the Fenty Beauty foundation and I used it a couple of times and I'm not gonna lie, like I loved it. I was like, this is so full coverage. It looks so good. It's what I'm wearing right now. Maybe, I mean, who knows what I'm wearing. You'll have to watch my next video next week to see because it's gonna be there. But the Fenty Beauty foundation was definitely something I needed to get. It is a soft matte longwear foundation. It lasts me all day long. Foundation and I have a difficult relationship. It's like I'll love it when it goes on and then after a few hours it starts to settle into my fine lines, wrinkles, it starts breaking up in my oily areas even if I powder. So when I can find a foundation that lasts me from like 7 a.m. when I get up and I'm doing my makeup for work all the way to like 6 p.m. at night when I get off of work, it's a thing, okay? I'm in love. I have heard that it can be a little drying. If you do have dry skin, it can create like a patchy feeling on your skin. I did notice like one day I hadn't moisturized, didn't have a lot. I was dehydrated and it looked a little funky. So then the next day what I did, I just added some of my more like lightweight foundation that was a little more hydrating to it, just like a pump or maybe a little moisturizer, and then it was perfect because it lasts all day long. Like I'm not giving that up for anything, right? This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and I needed to get this because I've seen video after video after video of people saying like how amazing it is, how much it's changed their game, like how they loved like the velvet finish. And I was like, I'd never used a velvet finish foundation before, so I was like, okay, let me try this. Like it's been super hyped, right? And when I applied it with a beauty sponge like all over my face, it settled into my fine lines like crazy. So I've already used it. I didn't have powder to set it down and maybe that's what was the problem. I just have to keep trying it out. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this and maybe we can try it out together, kind of a thing. Foundation's probably my favorite thing to figure out like what looks best on my skin. If you want me to do like my top 5 and bottom 5 best and worst foundation, something like that, let me know. I can do something like that. Okay, this is just restocking. The Sephora at JCPenney's that I went to didn't have the big ones for some reason, but this is just a mini of the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's my absolute favorite one. I've used many kinds, and this is the one I feel like is the most beautiful on my skin. It sets on your skin. It melts into it without making it look powdery, and it's the perfect base before you put on any sort of bronzer or powder or blush. Like it just is beautiful. And I find some other ones when I put them on will like sink in darker and like absorb faster in some places than in others, giving my face like an uneven skin appearance. So didn't like that. So that's why I love this one, and I definitely will continue repurchasing the Laura Mercier setting powder. I love the Stila liquid eyeshadows. This one is in the shade Freedom, and it is so beautiful. Just look at this. if I can get it out of the box. So this is the shade. It is so beautiful. Do you not agree? It's the Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and I cannot wait to just put this all over my lids by itself. Like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love these. I have some of the mini ones in like the trio, I think it is. I got that a while ago and I love it, and so I know that these work really, really well. You don't even have to wet your brush, you just like swipe it on. It's like the best thing ever. All right, I did get some skincare products. I got the Tasha Deep Cleanser. I really like this cleanser. Again, I've used a mini one a few times and I realized just how amazing it was for my skin. This is what it looks like. It uses clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin, which is what I have. I have like combination skin. I feel like this cleanses your face. I always double cleanse, just so you guys know. Like I use like a makeup wipes to take everything off, and then I go in with a cleanser. And I feel like some of them are just too gentle and don't cleanse my face totally, and then others are so harsh. It's like got that thing on your skin where it's like, you know, so dry now you have to like put 10 globs of moisture. Anyway, this is not like that. After I take my makeup off with a wipe, I put this on and it leaves my skin feeling so smooth. My pores look smaller because of how clean they are. It smells really good. It's just such luxurious packaging. I really love the packaging so much. Tasha is not cheap, I will say that, but thank God for 30% off VIB sale, because now I have her and I'm happy. So the next thing I got is something that I have been really excited for, and it is the Lemonade palette by Dominique Cosmetics. So freaking gorgeous. Look at this packaging. Look at this gorgeous mirror. Look at the pan size. These shades are gorgeous. Like, I love this shade so much. Like every single shade in here I know I can use and use multiple times, and I don't feel like I have anything like it currently in my repertoire. Like, did I not call it the beginning of the summer in my Instagram feed? Like, yellow is a thing. I'm so excited that Christine Dominique is now available in Sephora. I don't think she's in stores. I think this one was online. Let me just do a couple swatches here for you. So for instance, this lemon soda shade, Death. Let's swatch, do you want me to swatch this sweet tea shade? What? Pigment. Pigment! This pink lemonade shade. Bam! Gorgeous. Beautiful. It's got like a gold reflect too, which I didn't even realize. That's so, so pretty. A cucumber, like, I'm just kind of obsessed with this palette. Like, oof, I like it. Obviously, I've been a little obsessed with color lately, which I don't think is a bad thing. I know we're going into fall and maybe some people are ready for some toned down looks, and that's fine. Like, I can start doing a few more, like, you know, smoky eyes and things like that if you guys want, but I'm not quite ready for the summer to be over. Like, I like pumpkin spice lattes in Starbucks, but I still want to like do pink flamingo shades on my eyes. I also got the Flamingo palette by Voss. I'm super excited about this. It opens up like a book. It's so cute. And then it's got like little flip-flops, a little flamingo here. Oops, I just put my hand in a shade. And then you've got, it's almost like a storybook of all these gorgeous shades here. So they're all super, super beautiful, very, very pigmented. Let's go ahead and swatch a few. Like, my life is screaming to swatch Tidal Wave. Let's go ahead and... What? I was not expecting that. I really wasn't. Let's do Pineapple. Dang, these are so pretty. These are super, super pretty. I need to try one that's not a shimmer shade, obviously. Those always tend to swatch a little prettier. Oh, that one's a reflective gold. Reflective gold alert. Maybe this coral shade. Maybe I should swatch this. Buttery. It feels so buttery. Yes. So beautiful. Okay. I just want to keep going. What about this donut shade? I'm going to swatch donut. Okay. Yep. I'm in love. I'm in love. So in love. The last things I got were kind of small stuff. I got a pink eyeliner. This is from the Sephora brand. Just, I'm trying to do more color, so pink eyeliner, I don't know. I want more colored liquid liner, and I think I found out that NYX does a good job of doing those, so I'm gonna go to Ulta probably to get that. I did pick up the Makeup Forever palette glitters, and this is just like the white one. See how pretty that is? It's just like loose glitter. And then this is the H2O Gloss by Tarte. It was on sale at JCPenney, which I realized Sephora does sales, but JCPenney does sales on sales, and I had the VIB sale, so it was like even more on sale, which I love. This is the shade Sandy Toes. It's just like a beautiful, like, ugh, it's so gorgeous. I do have it on over a lip color today because I loved it so much. It's so beautiful, juicy, like gloss. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, I think that was everything. There may have been a few more items, but I mean, I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. Those are the products that I was super, super excited to get, and I'm very, very excited that I got them. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's tutorial of how to get this look and all the products that I used today. Well, most of them that I used today, I'm gonna be using in next week's video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you guys next time.